City, Cebu. Let's give it up for Marlon Alejandro. Marlon Alejandro, ladies and gentlemen, Mandaue City, Cebu. This is 8 rounds, scheduled for 8 rounds of professional boxing in the 107-pound limit. Now tipping the scale, ladies and gentlemen, from Mandaue City, Cebu, Marlon Alejandro. And his official weight. £106.83 for Marlon Alejandro. And his opponent, ladies and gentlemen, the bride of Marie Mohawk Bohol. He is the former WBO Oriental Youth Flyweight Champion. He is the current IBF Asia Junior Light Flyweight Champion, but that title will not be on the line. From PMI Bohol Boxing Stable, Sugar Shane Hitalian. His official weight, ladies and gentlemen, 107.01 for Sugar Shane Hitalian. Now our boxers will be facing off for the camera on their fight stance. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is another exciting supporting bout of Gumong Bulanon 24. 8 rounds of professional boxing in a 107-pound limit. Now facing off for the camera is Sugar Shane Hitalian and Marlon Alejandro. All right, coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, another 8 rounder in the 112-pound limit.